Ever wonder how much work goes into getting a dog and horse to stay still for a 20-second short? Subscribe, then watch us behind the scenes footage to find out. Getting the camera in place. Thankfully, the boys are behaving here. The camera was in position, but it shifted with the wind. Subjects that were once in frame are now cut off. Artex is snorting and creating dust from the wheelbarrow. The struggle is real to find and maintain the perfect camera position during windy weather. Attempting to get Artex to shift into a better stance. Making some progress here. Securing the camera so it will no longer shift in the wind. The boys track me as I walk around the truck to check the feed. It's easier to keep the footage rolling and cut and splice it later than to constantly start a new video. Getting into position in the frame. Frequent costume adjustments. The boys are so patient. Artex swishes his tail in annoyance at my tail adjustments. Fixing Falcor's bat dog cape. Adjusting the zoom to capture optimal foreground subjects and background scenery.
Wait.
Artex was getting antsy here, so I gave him a warning. More inevitable camera adjustments. Camera almost fell over. Getting closer to capturing all the footage. Checking the footage to see if it will work. Artex's Robin eye mask came off, so I had to put it back on him. You can tell he loves it. A few of the mini pumpkins and gourds fell over, so I had to set them up again. The boys are doing so well, being patient and waiting. A few more camera adjustments. Now the boys are perfectly centered in frame. Checking the camera feed on the other side of my truck. Checking the camera footage yet again. I have limited time to capture footage, so I must make sure it's recording properly. Adjusting Falcor's bat dog ears. Getting Artex into position. Artex's Robin costume requires some adjustments. As does my costume. Letting the boys know we are almost finished. And here's the final product. All that work purchasing costumes and decorations, dressing the boys, multiple camera and costume adjustments for a 20-second short. Happy Halloween! Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed.